Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to open Microsoft Copilot Studio and walk you through the team of autonomous AI agents that we are going to build from scratch together. So here I got Copilot Studio up and running and I've already built that team. Okay, so I'm just going to show you basically what's going to happen behind the scenes. And then in the next video, we're going to start building each of these agents, connect them together, create all the instructions for them, and also test them and trigger them at the end. So the agent that I built here is going to be the Nike Chief Marketing Officer. And let me remind you of basically what we have done so far. If you remember in the previous initial video, I showed you kind of from a very high level the team, right? So here we got the team, if you recall. So I have the Chief Marketing Officer. I here also got the Marketing Analyst, Creative Copywriter, and Social Media Manager, right? So I've got 4 AI agents. So if you go back and watch this out, simply here, you should be able to see this is the first AI agent. The first one is Nike Chief Marketing Officer. Should be able to see the description here of that agent. I used ChatGPT or GPT-5 model chat preview. And if you scroll down, this is simply the description of what that agent does. I'm basically explaining here to the agent that you're going to call the marketing analyst, you're going to talk about or with the social media manager, and also going to talk to the creative copywriter as well. And if you go up here, and this is kind of the new kind of key skill that I wanted to learn, which is if you go to agents, now you should see this Nike Chief Marketing Officer, which is this one here, okay, is connected to the social media manager, creative copywriter, and also the marketing analyst. So if I go back, you should be able to see the Nike here, creative copywriter. I got the Nike Marketing Analyst and also Nike Social Media Manager as well. You will also notice here that there is an email sender, okay? Think of this as like a child AI agent that it is going to be kind of working or embedded within the Nike Chief Marketing Officer. So if you wanted to kind of know the difference between them, and I'm going to show you how to connect all of these agents together. Basically, if you hover here on top of this, you will see that the Nike Creative Copywriter, for example, is connected with the current agent, which is the Nike Chief Marketing Officer. So these two right now are connected. But basically this one, the email sender, think of it as a mini AI agent that lives inside the Nike Chief Marketing Officer agent. And it also inherits its settings. And think of it as this one is ideal for breaking down complex logic. So basically, I just defined, kind of think of it as a mini agent. All it does, it just sends an email at the end just to forward the marketing campaign and the strategy campaign via an email. That's simply all it does. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. If I go back to overview here, and here on the right-hand side, we're actually testing our agent. So the prompt that I'm going to use here is as follows. I'm going to say, we need to launch the Nike Air Zoom Pulse 2 immediately. Hoka is doing amazing on pricing and comfort. I want you to activate the team and give me a winning campaign strategy right now. So if you go ahead and click run, basically what you notice right now, a team of AI agents that's going to start to do analysis on your behalf. The first one is, well, the Nike Marketing Analyst. If you remember, this is going to be actually powered by GPT-5 reasoning. So think of it's going to have an advanced reasoning capabilities. And it's because it is doing an advanced market analysis, it's going to take a few more minutes for it to run. So actually, you'll notice that it's actually not stuck. It is right now in progress. First of all, because it's using that reasoning model, advanced reasoning, and it's also combining information and doing analysis on other competitors as well. So after the Nike Market Analyst is going to be done, and let me remind you, this was the plan here. We have the marketing analyst first, and then we're gonna go and basically go to the social media manager afterwards. Hopefully, of course, if everything works, you should be directed to the social media manager to come up with the social media campaign. And then afterwards, we're gonna combine all that information, and the creative copywriter is going to write our campaign strategy end to end. So let's wait and see. Okay, so here we go. So now we should see all these knowledge sources have been searched by the Nike market analyst. This is great. And now you should be able to see Nike social media manager actually came up with the plan. And if you go to the right-hand side here, now you should be able to see basically what is going on. If you go up, this was the, think of it as the analysis that has been done. It's telling you what positioning, for example, has been done here. How does Nike compare to Hoka and Crocs? It's telling you what are the SWOT analysis. It's also comparing here all the different pricing as well between all these different products. And if you scroll down, now you should see here, if you scroll down, keep going, this is simply all the sources that have been referenced. And now you should get the social media manager came up with a strategy for us. And basically the strategy is going to tell you, well, a day in the life. It's telling you here kind of what a nurse kind of day should look like, and how Nike Air Zoom Pulse 2 try to solve that 12-hour kind of problem. And if you keep going down, this is basically the campaign, and that's the Nike social media campaign. Afterwards, you notice that the next agent, and that was the Nike creative copywriter, was able to come up with an amazing here kind of campaign strategy. And you should be able to see the core positioning, the key differentiators here. It's telling you the nurse talk kind of strategy here as well. And it's showing you as well kind of launch timeline as well. How amazing is this? So this is simply kind of a quick overview of what we are going to build together. In the next video, let's start with a blank page and start building all these AI agents and connect that team together. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.